Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I hope you're doing well and you watched the previous video where I implemented the canvas and the notebook. Okay, we have two options to create a note. But if you remember that we are creating only one note and in which we have multiple pages. Right now I implemented an interface where you can manage notes, create, edit or delete. Okay, plus I created a pin, okay, where the deleted notes are present and where you have two options, either you can restore or permanently delete. So without any further, let's get started. So this is our note application, and you can see that I changed this logo. Previously it was the Versal and now it's NoteVerse. Now let's launch the application and you will see this interface. Okay, let's click on this add new, where you have two options for creating a note. Either go with the canvas board or the notebook. Okay, let's choose the canvas board for now and it's created. So it's not asking for a title, it's just giving a random title, so it should ask for the title. Okay, and you will see in the next video that this issue is fixed. Okay, now let you can edit the title. Okay, and you can delete this particular note, and if you click on this note it will redirect to this canvas board. Now let's delete this one, and if you see this bin, just click on this bin where the deleted notes are present. Okay, it will show here how many notes are present in bin, and you can either restore or delete forever. When you click on the restore, it just restored. You will see this here, and when you click on the delete forever, it's asked for the confirmation. And yeah, when you click on the delete, it's permanently deleted. Now what I'm thinking is, let's work on the backend implementation where user can log in and have the notes inside the cloud. Okay, so that is I'm currently working on. And yeah, someone asked me for show the code. Okay, so I already answered it inside the comment, but the thing is, it's just pretty headache for me to edit a long video. So yeah, thanks for watching.